Today, we will be looking at Acumatica Case Management. Customer service is the lifeblood of any business, and customer service is everyone's business from the back office to the front office in any successful organization. Case management cannot and should not ever be just the domain of the salespeople. Other ERP systems tend to separate customer service from the back office. Acumatica is different. Case management in Acumatica is deeply integrated between modules and provides tools for everyone in the organization to use to collaborate and to provide customer service. Consumption-based pricing and not user-based pricing assures that business owners do not feel compelled to restrict access to the case management. Case management incorporates all your company's employees into the customer service team. Configurable workflows within Acumatica can automate the assignment and the escalation of cases, providing efficiency and faster times from case inception to case closing. And Acumatica will help you have your customers sing your praises. So collaboration is the secret sauce to customer service. And case management in Acumatica provides collaboration internally and externally. So that way customers become part of your customer service team along with everybody within your organization. Incoming emails can be automated. Employees can create new cases on the phone, or customers can create cases from the customer portal. This way, a customer feels involved in his own case management. They appreciate that flexibility because they're going to be able to create a case in the same way that they like to interact with the rest of the world, either via email, the internet, or the phone. And we're going to start our demonstration today actually in the customer portal. As we begin this, I'm going to log in to the customer portal as Travis Harper, and we're going to create a case and submit that for work within the Acumatica environment. So with that, I'm going to go to actual product. And we'll start here with Travis Harper in the customer portal. Now, Travis is logged into the customer portal, come to his homepage, and here are the options that he has. Now, he can create a brand new case, or he can open and browse open cases so that he can track what is being done for him in customer service. He can also obviously go and create his own orders if he'd like to do a production order, or he can log in and download invoices and statements so that he can provide self-service on things like paying his bills or tracking his aging. So Travis has a significant amount of activity, self-service activity, that's available in the customer portal. But today he's going to create a brand new case. Travis is an officer at ABC Studios, New York, New York, and so any case to Travis is going to be a high priority. We know that. And so we're letting Travis decide his priority himself. We provide that, and then we let him, and then he is going to provide us some sort of subject. And so today his laptop has black dots on a monitor. That's got to be upsetting. And now Travis can help us help him by providing details for this case. So he will probably sit and make a quick note like this. My laptop developed black dots after today's budget meeting. Don't know yet what that has to do with anything, but we'll find out. Travis can then go to the attribute screen, type in the product that needs to be supported, and the date that he purchased it, if he happens to know the date of purchase. Now, he knows that we're going to have to diagnose this problem. He's submitted a few cases before, so in order to help us do our work, he has decided that he is going to take a picture of his laptop and then submit that picture in this case. So collaboration, communication provides great customer service. So Travis is going to attach to this case a copy or a picture of the bad monitor. Satisfied that he's added all the information he needed to, he's going to go ahead and submit this case. Now, in Acumatica, that submission could have led to an automation in workflow. So because the case has attributes, and because those attributes can be filtered in case assignment mapping, we can improve efficiency in case management with automation. So cases where products are some type of hardware, cases where certain customers are involved, cases where certain locations are involved can be separated out, and an automatic assignment map can be created to assign those cases to particular employees or caseworkers within our organization. Now today, I'm going to be logged in as Maxwell Baker, admin, and we're actually going to manually work these cases because that's what Max Baker does. He likes to see every case that comes in the door, and we can accommodate those users like Maxwell Baker. So Max is going to open up the case management window, and he's going to always be checking for those unassigned cases. So he has a set of filters that allow him to quickly and easily find those unassigned cases. Filtering on these inquiries are one of the ways that we provide efficiency so that as an end user, I'm not searching for cases all over the place while a case continues to toll time and a customer continues to wait for me to find them. So here's the unassigned case. Max is going to open it up. He sees it's from ABC Studios, and then he sees it's from Travis Harbor, and he knows that Travis is one of his best customers, and he's going to take this case himself so he can monitor this case through to its completion. He sees that that laptops develop black dots. I'm going to take a look at the attributes. I can see that it's out of warranty. I also notice that there's a file attached. So I'm going to open this file and see if I can figure out what's wrong with the monitor. Well, it's pretty clear that Travis must have been upset today by the budget meeting because this monitor has a significant problem. So we've diagnosed the problem, and we're going to go ahead and respond to Travis. Communication, once again, and awareness. Because a case not only provides me a way to communicate with my customer, it also provides me a folder to add all my activities to so that everybody involved in the case is aware of what's going on. So I'm going to add my email back to Travis in the case so it always stays attached. And we'll go ahead and respond. Travis, I think I see the problem with your monitor. I will dispatch a technician to arrive at your location today. By the way, I love the new storyline for Grey's Anatomy. Max. So he's going to send this out to Travis, and Travis will receive this email to know that that's activity happening on his case and things are happening and it's on his way. And now we can log into email as Travis Harper, and we see the email we just sent. Travis sees that, and he says, thanks so much. Please have the technician contact my admin, Chad, as I will be out of the office for the rest of the day. GA has not stopped surprising you. Stay tuned. And Travis. Okay, Travis has responded to that email, and that email could easily get unattached from the particular job if we didn't have a way to attach it. And it would be very inefficient for us if we had to go through each and every email that was received by the admin and physically attach that to a particular case or a particular opportunity or a particular contact. And so Acumatica has provided a way for incoming email to be automatically processed, and that email would automatically be attached then to the particular case in which it is associated. So we've received our email. I go back to the case. I open up my cases. There's the case that we have involved with. I go to activities, and now I see not only my email, but Travis's email attached as well. So it gives me a way to create the case. It gives me a way to assign the case. The case has been assigned. I get notification, so I am aware of what is happening. I have access to the case through custom filters that allow me to filter the cases and access those cases in a way that's efficient. I have great communication in my cases with emails, phone calls, tasks, or events that allow customer interaction. So I'm continuing that great customer service through communication. I am also tracking or creating an audit trail. Now, an audit trail is rarely needed unless we have fingers pointing at one another. So during a time of escalation, during a time of customer sat issues, we'll be able to use that audit trail and discuss how things went well, how things went sideways, if we need to. And it keeps everybody involved and currently informed of all the issues included in the case. So case management now continues with integration. Acumatica's case management provides deep integration directly to business accounts, contacts, project management, receivables, services, including service orders and staff calendar boards, workflow, and incoming and outgoing email. So let's go on back as Maxwell, and we're going to take this case and escalate it now to customer service. With the case open, I go up to actions and I say, I would like to create a service order. Now I have my option as to what kind of service order to create. and I also have my option as to what location this should be open for. So we're going to create a maintenance or repair order, and we're going to create it for Manhattan. I'm going to say OK, and it's going to pull up the service order ticket for me. And fills out many of the items that I need to see. So I see that the service order, I see it's for ABC Studios. I see it's for Travis Harper. I can go through here now and add some additional services. So maybe I'd like to let the service technician know that this is going to be a repair. And so he can go through and select a service or a labor line for repair. And we can also go ahead and change the billing rules. So if it's time or flat rate, however this is going to be purchased, we can put in an estimate for the time. So to replace a monitor is probably going to be an hour and a half. So we'll go ahead and put in an hour and 30 minutes. And so we can, we've got the capability of running through and adding the information we need to this particular project. Also, since Max is definitely interested in providing the best service possible, he can assign staff, either assign staff by location or assign staff by skill. In this case, he knows that Todd is a great person to do this work, and so he's going to go ahead and assign Todd to this particular engagement. And also, he may, since he knows it's going to be needed, create or select a new monitor to go out and perform the work with. Of course, once this service order is completed, we can go out and schedule that appointment for Todd. And of course, it will pull everything forward for scheduling that appointment. We'll make that appointment as soon as possible. So we're going to have him there today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. And we're expecting him to be done by 3:30. Of course, now Todd's going to go out to the field and he's going to want to log into the cases. And that's great because case management will include then mobility. So Todd can log in, see the case, Todd can log into the appointment and actually start working on the appointment. And then Todd can have Chad sign off on that work order as being completed. And of course, that then starts the entire billing process at the end. So what does that case management do? That case management concludes with a happy customer.